Navy Vet 76 out at the range with my Uruguayan cavalry carbine. It's called a saddle ring carbine in 7x57 Mauser. And you'll see right here, it has a saddle ring. Pretty darn cool. I've done some videos on this before, so I don't want to get into too much detail. It's a very short Remington rolling block, and I'm going to use the same ammunition that I did last week in the long rifle. Now these are just neck size, 180 grain Hornady ELD polymer coated boat tail jack bullet, and I'm using H4831 shortcut or SC at 36 grains, CCI primer. It's a CCI 200 large rifle primer, and the overall length on this is 3 inches 380 thousandths, which is really sticking out there. I knew it would work. I know it works in the long rifle, and I wasn't sure if it would chamber, but it actually does. It chambers in the carbine, so I thought we'd shoot them. Now we're going to also shoot the cast bullets that I shot last week too. We'll get to that in a little bit. So just getting ready to set up. My phone decides it wants to update. So now I'm waiting on it to update so I can actually start this video. Okay. I think we're ready to go now. Chronograph is set up. I'm going to shoot the target on the right. 50 yards. Front sights fuzzy. (1,709 feet per second). Primer sticking out on that one. 1,817 per second. 1,777 feet per second. (1,779 feet per second. Front sight's a little fuzzy, hard to see. Got a little bit of a click bang there. Got a little bit of a light strike. That was 1,761 feet per second. (1742). 1,742 1758.
Fire, 1 minute.
1758. $17.37. We'll save that. And we'll go down and look at it at the break. Well, that little rolling block, it really likes those 180 grain ELDs. I always thought that heavier bullet wouldn't work good in the carbine, but it does. Now my point of aim was here, and this thing's shooting incredibly high. I got 5 more rounds I'm going to shoot, and then we'll move to the cast. But that's really good group. Now, is it recording? Yeah. Okay, I got 5 more here. Oh, that primer dropped back down there. That's weird. That's a loose primer. Let's shoot it, see what it does. So I guess we got 6 more rounds. Once this one doesn't shoot, it's going to blow the primer. I can tell you that right now. Actually, it didn't have any place to go because these are actually fit to the channel, so it didn't have any place to go. Okay. Little carbine likes to jump. 7mm round. I really like this 7x57. It's a nice round. It gets the job done, and this little carbine with a short barrel, it's really not getting the burn that you would in a long rifle, so your speeds are considerably shorter. Last week with that, I was averaging 2,054 feet per second, and so we're down now to, what did I say, 1770 or something like that. I don't have that pulled up at the moment. So when you're shooting a short barrel, it doesn't burn all the way down the barrel. It's still burning when it's going out the barrel. Either that or the gas, I'm not sure of the physics of how it works. I just know that the shorter barrel have enough, the gas isn't built up enough to get the velocity you do with the long rifle. But it was actually sitting in the saddle. That's what the little ring was for. I've had a few of these 7mm, and the majority of them are shot out. So you're really lucky if you find one that's got some decent rifling in it. And this one does. This one really does. I've had several. This is the one I hung on to. all the 180 jacketed bullets. Now this one didn't fire last week. I don't know why it didn't. Try this out in the carbine, see how it works. The cast bullets are 130 grain. They're coated with ALOX. They are not powder coated. It's a gas check bullet. We're using unique powder, 17 grains, and the overall length is 2 inches, 890 thousandths. I want to try this one and see how it works, but you know what? I wanted to set this up first, so I'm going to do that and then restart the video. All right, I have the chrono. This bullet that didn't fire in the long rifle. We're going to shoot at the left target. And it worked. 1,937 feet per second. Again, that's too fast for cast with just ALOX on it, but it didn't really look like the bore in my long rifle, so that's weird. That's 1953 feet per second. $19.50 feet per second. $19.36 feet per second. $19.35 per second. Oh my goodness. Hard to tell how the shooting goes on. 1940 feet per second. 1947 feet per second. 1955 feet per second. 1954 feet per second. And one more. 1940 feet per second. I want to save that. And we'll pause the camera. All right. Again, my point of aim was there. And that's where they went. Right up there. Two flyers. That's the cast bullets. And that's the jacketed bullets. And there's my Berthier. I think that's pretty good. I'm putting the hole generally in the same spot there with that Berthier, but anyway, we're talking about cast. I got 5 more of these to shoot, and then I'm going to move on. Alright, let's start another group. Connected, start. I don't know if you can see that puff of smoke, but that's the ALOX coating on the bullet. Still running like 19, the first one was 1938 and this one was 1931 feet per second. That's 1927. That one was a little fast. It was 1883. And it didn't eject. I'll pick it up later. $1979. That was fun. I'm not going to take you for those last 5 shots. It's not going to change much. So, there you have it. Remington carbine from Uruguay. That's a saddle ring carbine. Talk to you later.